Anymore. Shall me corset? I can't sit properly.
No, can I corset? Yes, me. Are you serious? Oh,
me too. But be a player.
I mean, I'm all for fashion. A friend of mine always tells me, "Afia, me, I'm not gonna suffer for fashion like you do." Corset need to me. I was na one cause I was adding a day pa na me Jimmy who we are say. A day na me pe we are say. Na Christiania, e maba we ye e bre. Why na asumamo? Na because atade mo ko susu ye. Ana me boa. Na atade ye susu. Oh, wonim. Hey, this thing I call it a fear syndrome. My own syndrome. Me ko susu atade no. Me cry dey me susu. Me the measurements maybe 5 years ago, time na me want me heydays mun me prime no. Some measurement no na me dema. Na makase pamma me because me be ye fasting. Aye exercise. E dey akotwen atade dey akokosha atade no. E bedru hono na se went me yes exercise ne fasting ne nya wo promise ye na madam you go suffer just like na these girls are suffering. And sometimes me feel some once mudi mo ho abro. Akoko measure wo ho. And ya measure atade no ye dey ahye wo. I can't sit, I can breathe. I can sit, I can breathe. I can sit properly. You can't sit properly. What a show. You know what? I mean, with all jokes aside, especially mona mon pam ye na ya na ase e twa yen yam no obero watade na honam nyina mark aden obero watade no na honam nyina ra, especially if you're doing function that is about maybe more than 6 hours. The pressure Saturday no e kwa bia so poni ngo no watwe no aka say ayi watwe free honu na emma we kakra ma relief kakra. Oh, at the pan for mompomade ye se ma start ye corset ma mompom corset amunye no ye na usually corset nyesa na emia nkrofo twa ye mo ye isa ade ye die nko a. Anyway, maba wa munko say I happy ye. I hope that you guys enjoyed after all this. Nemo okosha menidi okosha tade na yendidi. What did you be so afraid I can't breathe properly. I want a place to sit. You want a place na ye bread na get no. Anyway, share your thoughts. What do you think about this? Have you had these experience? For me, I'm just right there with the girls. I fit there perfectly. I'm always screaming, but I'm always because the police in Iba. Hey, missing belt tobacco pay. It's not me suffer, you know. So share your thoughts if you've also had same or similar encounter.